There goes Dan. Galloping into the distance.
It's only lap 1.
This is lap 1. It looks pretty good. What do you think?
He's got to go back up that hill. I rolled over and started doing elementary backstroke, and then waves to the left charge and put me off.
Here he comes back.
He's looking at his watch.
It'd be pretty sweet if he broke 2 hours. I don't think he will, but... Although, never underestimate the stupid strength of a high schooler.
Youth.
Yeah. Weirdest damn thing. Here he comes.
Looking good.
Looking good, Dan.
Good. Woo!
Run, Diego, run. What's your time at? You just started it now. That's highly ineffective, Dan.